I get up, time is barely on our side. I don't wanna waste what's
Its name is M4 Smart Band and it is just like MI Band 4. So guys, today we are going to unbox this M4 Smart Band. So let's get started. Let's see its box content. In the front side of the box, at the top side it is written Smart Bracelet. At the bottom there is some features of it. In the right side of it there are some more features, and in the left side it's same. Let's see its back side. Here it is written specification. All these specifications are given here. You can pause the video and you can see. Here it is given its price. It is 1899, but in Amazon it will cost you 555 rupees. It is a cheap and the best product. Let us unbox it. We go. Wow. The first of all thing that we can see is the manual book. It is written in Chinese and in English also. Here it is. Let's keep it aside. In the box we also get the strap, smart bracelet and a charging cable. So guys, now let's put our smart band. It is now booted. Let's see what are the things we get in. First one is steps, second one is BPM, and third one is sports, fifth one is message option, and sixth one is more options. Let's check what are the things we get in more options. First one is Bluetooth camera, looking for themes, reset, download app, QR code, and this is for switch offing the smart band. Let's check what are the things we get in state. Steps, kilometer, kcm. Let's check the ppm. Wow. See, the sensor is working. Let's check what are the things in sports. In sports, first option is run, second is skip, third is sit up. That's all are there in sports. Let's check what are the things in message. Message is null because it is not connected with Bluetooth to our mobile.